Hello everyone, welcome to My Math Teacher. In this video, I am going to solve question number 2 and 3 from the exercise 1.5. The chapter is Number Systems for class 9 students from NCERT syllabus. Question number 2 here is simplify each of the following expressions. So we have got 4 subdivision under this. So here the first subdivision given is 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. As we can observe here, this is rational plus irrational multiplied by 2 is again rational plus irrational. So to simplify this, always remember we have to use algebraic identities. Here let us consider 3 as A plus, now root 3 is considered as B. Okay, now we have 2 here, this is new, let us take this as C plus again root 2 is D. So all the 4 are different. So in this case we can't apply identity. So if we can't apply identity, just multiply one binomial with the other binomial. So how to do this? Just check this. 3 should be multiplied by 2. So here 3 into 2. Okay, plus 3 should be multiplied by root 2 like this. Okay, now 3 is multiplied by root 2. Second binomial, that is root 3 should be multiplied by 2 and again the same root 3 should be multiplied by root 2. So here plus root 3 into 2, root 3 into 2 plus root 3 into root 2. Okay, now just multiply. 3 2s are 6 plus here 3 root 2. So always write the rational number first and the irrational number. Okay, plus root 3 into 2. You have to write it as 2 root 3 plus. Now root 3 into root 2. It can be written like this. So always remember root A into root B is root AB. Just multiply. It will be root 2 3s are 6. Now you have to look for any common terms. 6 here, 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. So here they are different. Root 2 here and root 3 and root 6. So nothing is common here. We can straight away write the same answer. 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 6. Okay. The second subdivision 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3. So as you can see, this is A plus B here into again 3 is considered as A. So the same 3 is here, A minus root 3 is considered as B. So we can write the same B here. Okay, so it is A plus B into A minus B, which is equal to, as we know, this is A square minus B square. Now shall we apply this identity to solve the problem? Now A is 3 square minus, what is B here? B is root 3 square. Okay, which is equal to 3 square is 9 minus root 3 square is root 3 into root 3 is 3. Okay, so it is 3 here, 9 minus 3 becomes 6. This is the answer. Now the third subdivision, that is root 5 plus root 2 the whole square. So this resembles A plus B the whole square form, that is A square plus B square plus 2AB. So in this case A is root 5 whereas B is root 2. So let us apply in this identity, that is A square. A is root 5 square plus B is root 2 square plus 2 into A into B, 2 into root 5 into root 2. Okay, which is equal to root 5 into root 5 is 5 plus root 2 into root 2 is 2 plus 2 into, as we can see, root 5 into root 2 the same way, root A into root B is equal to root AB, that is root 5 2s are 10 here. So which is 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 2 root 10. This is the answer. The last subdivision, which is root 5 minus root 2 into root 5 plus root 2. So it is very clear, a minus b into the same number a plus b. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So in the place of a, we have root 5. So root 5 square minus, what is b here? In the place of b, we have root 2 square, which is equal to root 5 into root 5 is 5 minus root 2 into root 2, which is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. So this is how we have to simplify the given expressions. Question number 3. Recall, pi is defined as the ratio of circumference of a circle to its diameter. That is, pi is equal to c by d. This seems to contradict the fact that pi is irrational. How will you resolve this contradiction? Now, we have already studied in a circle, when you divide the circumference by its diameter, that is, circumference is considered as c. When you divide it by the diameter, the value is always 22 by 7. This is constant irrespective of the size of the circle. So when we see this 22 by 7, we may consider this as a rational number. This is called as 22 by 7, or when you divide this, we have this value 3.14. This is called as the pi value. Okay, many a times we have come across in our textbooks that is given as pi value is 3.14 or pi value as 22 by 7. Whereas in irrational number, we know that pi value is 3.141592. It keeps on going. That is, pi value is non-terminating. It will never come to an end, and also non-repeating. So why is this contradiction? Sometimes we take pi value as 22 by 7, which is rational, and the actual value of pi is 3.14, which is irrational. So actually there is no contradiction in this. Why? Because pi, we consider 3.14 it as an approximate value. It is not an actual value. As we know, pi's value will never come to an end. So we are considering only 3.14 for our convenience. This is an approximate value, not an actual value, which is very closer value. We are, for our calculation convenience, we always consider pi value as 3.14 or 22 by 7. Whereas in actual, pi value is non-terminating and non-repeating, which is irrational. Hope you must have understood both the sums clearly. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.